Hello friends and welcome to the episode of Bollywood this week. Friends, the movie which we will review today is the new Telugu film which is released on a Wednesday. The movie is called as Run. Friends, yes, it's a remake of the Malayalam super hit movie Neram which starred Nazria Nazreen and the superstar of Malayalam cinema now, Nivin Pauly. This film had released back in 2013 and Putharan and Nivin Pauly had made a fabulous movie in Malayalam cinema which was also simultaneously shot in Tamil. Well friends, it was a blockbuster there, but the Telugu version Run is a sorry state of affairs. Right from the cinematography to the taking to the dialogues, taking, well yes, that's what you call in Telugu for cinematography, right? Taking. Okay, and from the taking, from the editing, all shabbily done. Even a fabulous actor like Bobby Sima, who makes his debut in Tollywood, is made to look like a sorry figure in this fabulous movie, which is made really rubbish and very shabbily in Telugu. So friends, let's go and see what is the movie Run, a remake of Malayalam movie Neram all about. Well, Run in Telugu has been directed by Anil Kaneganti, is produced by Sudhakar Kulkarni, and music has been given by Sai Karthik. Well, the film stars obviously Sundeep Kishan, Bobby Sima, who plays the villain Vaddi Raja in the movie. We have Anisha Ambrose, we have Murli Posani, we have Kasi Vishwanath in the movie. So friends, what is the story of the movie Run? Run movie starts with Sundeep Kishan, obviously, who plays the role of Nivin Pauly. Very, this guy doesn't look like, protagonist of a movie. He made his debut in Hindi cinema also with a movie called Shore in the City. Well, he's reprising the same role what he did in Shore in the City. Short of cash, runs out of money, and finds out different ways to get money. So this guy is a computer science engineer. He's a BTech, wants a job, and with the help of his friend of an IT company, takes some amount of money from Vadi Raja Bobby Sima. Bobby Sima is a happy-go-lucky gangster, smokes BDs, mirchi chewing guy, gives loan to people and gives a certain amount of time to people, and the people who are not able to pay him the money are being killed, bashed by him. Very stylish guy, satin shirts, white pants, very well characterized guy, Bobby Sima. Well, so Sundeep Krishna takes an amount of money from Bobby Sima, and months pass by. From December it comes to March, and the time arrives when Sundeep Krishna doesn't at all gets a job in Cyberabad, that is Hyderabad. And what happens when he is short of money and the day arrives to give money to Vadi Raja? Well, this is one story. The other side of the story moves forward. He has a girlfriend, Anisha Ambrose, who obviously wants to marry. So the father of Anisha Ambrose, fabulously played by Kashi Vishwanath, he gives him a deadline, okay, you get a job, otherwise I won't marry my daughter to you. So Sundeep Krishna, goes to his father to, get married to Anisha Ambrose, and the father tells that you have to get a job. So one day, fed up, he doesn't have a job, no money, Anisha Ambrose and Sundeep Krishna try to elope from the house. As soon as he's eloping, and Anisha Ambrose is waiting for Sundeep Krishna, someone comes from the chain snatching gang and snatches the chain away of Anisha Ambrose. Anisha Ambrose's father finds a letter in the house stating that she is eloping with Sanju, that is Sundeep Krishna. So father goes to the police station and writes a complaint. A daughter has been kidnapped by Sundeep Krishna, and I don't know how many times I'm going to say Sundeep Krishna in this review. His name is Sanju in the movie. Just cut it short. Sanju, and Sanju, when he gets the money from his friend to give Vadi Raja, his money also is robbed. Simple plain story. Money is robbed, chain is robbed, and 5 o'clock is the time given by Vadi Raja for him to come and get the money. So story moves forward in another direction. There's another guy who Vadi Raja wants money from. He is a brother of a very big shot, Murli Posani Krishna. And one day when nothing is to be found out, the hero Sanju doesn't know where to get the money. He tries to steal the phone of the guy who wants to pay money to Vadi Raja, Murli Posani's brother, and suddenly saves him from an auto rickshaw crash. Along with that only, the heroine is being kidnapped by Bobby Sima, thinking that she is the girlfriend of the Murli Posani's brother. So The girlfriend is in the car, she's in the back seat of a car. Sundeep Krishna doesn't get the money, he's in the hospital, and suddenly the news comes in the hospital when he saves that the villain is dead. Well, friends, only for the climax of this movie, I think these guys have remade this film. The climax is very good. Bobby Sima dies, running and gets crashed by a rickshaw, and Murli Posani promises Sundeep Krishna a job. Sundeep Krishna gets the money back which was stolen by the gang of chain snatchers. As he finds them in the climax, the heroine also finds the chain which got snatched. All in all, very good story, but very shabbily and badly remade in Telugu. The music by Sai Karthik is nothing to be talked about. Coming to performances, Sundeep Krishna plays the same old, anguished guy, no more expression on his face. Anisha Ambrose spends most of the time of her screen in the dicky of the car. But the highlight of this film, friends, is Bobby Sima. Fabulously played villain Vadiraja in the movie. Murli Posani in the end makes you laugh a little bit. The movie lacked laughter. The movie is very slow. The movie is a very slow pace. Although it's just 2 hours long, the duration, it will bore you to death. Nothing. The film is so claustrophobic. Editing is so bad. Cinematography is completely shabby. They've used drone cameras, to take high shots of Hyderabad, but that doesn't add to the movie at all. Kashi Vishwanath's father also good. All in all, a very average movie. I give Run Telugu 1 star. It's a very bad movie, friends. Skip this movie. Wait for Nagarjuna Karti's movie Upri, which comes on Friday. So, friends, keep watching Bollywood this week, and we're gonna come with the Batman vs Superman, Rocky Handsome, and Upri review this week. Super hit blockbuster week. Don't miss. Watch our channel Bollywood this week. Like and subscribe for more reviews. Goodbye, friends.